Allora clothing review is legit or a scam? Allora clothing review is legit or a scam? If you're looking for trendy fashion at affordable prices, Allora clothing might have caught your attention. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online clothing stores are either overpriced or scams. The surprising truth is that Allora clothing is legitimate, but there are some things you should know before ordering. You won't believe what happens next. Allora clothing offers a wide variety of apparel, including dresses, tops, and accessories. Their website is easy to navigate, with clear product images and sizing charts. Customers often report receiving their orders on time, and many are satisfied with the quality for the price. However, some reviews point out occasional issues with sizing consistency or minor delays in shipping, especially during peak seasons. It's also important to read the return policy carefully. Returns are usually accepted, but you may need to cover shipping costs, so planning ahead is key. In conclusion, Allora Clothing is a legitimate online fashion store. While it may not compete with high-end brands, it offers trendy pieces at budget-friendly prices. By paying attention to sizing and shipping details, you can have a smooth shopping experience and enjoy stylish outfits without breaking the bank.